How to sell on eToro. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can sell on eToro. Well, the idea of selling on eToro is a bit tricky. Now what you'll have to do is once you log into your account, you want to head over to your portfolio option. Now here you'll have opened up the particular trading, right? So what you want to do is you want to tap on that particular trade. Now in my case, I don't have any. You can see my portfolio is empty, but suppose there you have the Apple, so you want to tap on it and you want to open it up. There you'll get the cross option and the close trade option. You want to tap on it and you want to close trade. You want to close all, or you want to select a particular part, you want to close it, and once you do so, the particular fund will be added to your account and you can either go ahead and buy other stocks or you can withdraw it as well. So this is the way that you can sell on eToro. Unfortunately, I'm unable to show you here. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to go ahead and close the trade. So basically closing the trade is like selling it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.